In this tutorial, I will show you how you can copy or duplicate any file or folder in your Google Drive. So first, let's access the Google Drive either via the browser or the Google Drive app. So once you have accessed your Google Drive, you can simply navigate to that file or folder that you want to copy. To navigate, you can use the My Drive button right here. So then once you have accessed the file or the folder that you want to duplicate, simply click on these three vertical dots. Then you can see the Make a Copy button, or you may also use the Ctrl plus C key combinations. Then once you click on the Make a Copy button, you can see that the copy of your file has been done. So you have successfully duplicated the particular file or folder in Google Drive. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.